I'm gonna use a 15-pound dumbbell. From here, you're gonna go for a swing. So important to keep your hips tucked and not get crazy thinking that you have to do a squat. We're gonna drive back, switch mid-air. So you wanna make sure that you squeeze your glutes at the top. Don't let your back hyperextend. Think about a core position. And if that's too much, you can always do both hands on the dumbbell and swing together. A great move for your core. It also works your glutes, gets your heart rate up. I recommend starting with 10 per side, but again, modify how you need to and use the correct dumbbell for you.